Hello lovelies, welcome back to my channel. Welcome back to another Temi's kitchen. Okay, my name is Temi Grace and I film from Ecuador in South America. I vlog, I do lifestyle video, and I show you how I cook my food as an African girl living in Ecuador, where there are no African grocery stores or African restaurants anywhere close to me. Okay, so I'm very sure you're going to find a piece of yourself in any of my video. Just scroll down and click on any video that entices you and watch. And if you're just joining us for the first time today, you're really welcome. I appreciate you. Please remember to click on that subscribe button. Beside the subscribe button, remember to click on that bell so that you'll be the first person to get notified anytime I upload a video. And to return subscriber, thanks for tuning in once again. I shall wake up for you. Okay guys, today we are going to be cooking macaroni. I saw this recipe on BETHA'S corner. Please, I will drop a link down at my description side. Do check it out. So I'm going to be using atum. Guys, let's just dive into the video. So for this green recipe, we are going to be using green pepper bell and red pepper bell. I've already sliced it. We are going to be using onions, a lot of onions. You know I love onions, right? And I was lucky to have blended pepper in my freezer, so we are going to be using some of that. And this is my grated ginger. I don't have a powdered ginger. And I'm going to be using atum. Atum is like sanding and a seasoning. Just one sachet. I'm not even going to finish that sachet, okay? So I'm going to be using atum. I'm going to be using curry. That atum is going to be used instead of my corned beef, because better use corned beef in our own video. So I'm going to be using salt to taste and garlic also, okay? I don't know, garlic and ginger have actually been part of me. And I'm going to be using hot dog. I'm going to be eating nuggets de pollo. That is chicken nugget, okay? That is the meaning of nugget de pollo. So I'm going to be frying too, and I'm going to be frying some plantain. So let's start cooking. So here I've already poured my macaroni on the fire inside the water, right? So I'm going to allow it to boil for a while, and after boiling I'm going to pour it inside a sieve. And mind you, you will want to save the water that you get from the macaroni, okay? So this is my oil. I've put my oil and my onions on fire. They are going to be frying. I'm going to stir. Yeah, as I said earlier, keep the water you sieved away from that macaroni, okay? And make sure your macaroni is 80 or 90% done. Then this is my green pepper bell and my red pepper bell. I'm going to stir, and I'm going to add that pepper, that grounded pepper to it. If you don't have grounded pepper, it's acceptable. You can use it. You can cook like that. I'm going to add my seasoning to taste. I actually forgot to put salt. I added salt much later, okay? So stir and allow it to cook. Then that is my ginger that I am adding to it, okay? So I'm going to be putting garlic also, okay? I'm going to be putting garlic and curry. And as at this point, I've not even remembered I had to put salt. I forgot totally, but it was not bad. I remembered before I finished cooking. So here I'm going to put my hot dog. I've actually put my hot dog. So I'm going to be stirring, and we are going to allow it to, okay, I'm going to be putting my atum. If you have corned beef, if you have sardine, if you have geisha, anything goes, right? This is what is available here in Ecuador, and that is why I'm using atum. So I'm going to stir, and I'll allow it to fry for a while. So after frying, at this point I remembered my salt, so I had to put the salt inside the macaroni water. Remember, I asked you to keep that water out. So just put salt and put the water inside, and I'll allow it to boil for a while. So I'm going to be putting my macaroni, and I'm not going to stir immediately. You know there is water inside our stew sauce, right? So I'm just going to leave it and cover it to simmer. And remember, our macaroni is like 80 or 90% done. So after a while, I'm going to open, then I'm going to stir. At this point I can stir, so I will stir, and I noticed that there's still water inside, so I'm just going to allow it to simmer a little bit. As I'm stirring, the water is getting dried up, right? So I'm going to allow it to dry up. I tasted and it was perfectly okay. So guys, thank you so much for watching. Hope you enjoyed this video. Hope you are staying safe, and hope you are fine. I'm fine. You would like to check this out. It's actually very simple to make. Make sure your macaroni is not too soft, and yeah, To be doing my fries, my plantain, and my nugget. So I'm going to be frying them now, and after that our food will be ready to eat. Okay guys, if you want to try this recipe, it does not really take you much, just macaroni and some pepper. Okay, so it's actually economical and it is affordable. I deal with affordable food here. And yeah, this is my food all set to be eating. Okay guys, thanks for watching and see you in my next video. Come and join me. I'm not really stingy, so you can come. We see you raining in the pot, so please join me to eat this great food. Better, thank you so much. You're a darling. This food is so delicious. Adani kojela, Adani kon lo si toilet, share I love you guys. Mwah.